Hi guys, this is Manideep. Now we are going to talk about the business benefits of artificial intelligence and the disruptive technologies. Have a look around the video and get a sense. The importance and the use of artificial intelligence in business are top of mind for leading corporations today. Artificial intelligence technology benefits big and small businesses as it helps them grow, ensures smarter decision making, and transform the field of management. But how exactly AI affects the business world? How AI can help your business growth? Here we go. Why is artificial intelligence important to business? Let's start with the definition. Artificial intelligence is the ability of computers to perform the tasks that usually people perform. For example, the ability to make decisions, the ability to communicate with the users. AI is about making machines think and act like humans. In other words, artificial intelligence describes a machine that mimics the human behavior in some way. AI can make the user experience similar to interacting with a human. The human part is the output, the input is the huge amounts of data. That's what allows AI to learn and adapt. It takes in reams of information, the data, and process it. If it encounters a problem, it learns from the situation and recognizes the pattern. AI does not replace the people in the most cases. Instead, it enhances the human capabilities and transforms the way we work. AI works through artificial intelligence software tools. What is artificial intelligence software? Artificial intelligence software is a software that uses AI technology and special algorithms to automate different tasks. Companies save time and effort by automating their business processes and enables their employees to work more productively. A variety of AI software tools are used to make the business process much simpler and more effective. For example, software that recommend products to users in e-commerce shop, chatbots, software that automates content marketing, tools that predict the sales, etc. There is no doubt that AI is a technology that will transform every business, every company, and in every industry. Here is the 10 ways that AI can help your business. Number 1. Boost revenue with the product recommendations. AI is widely used in product recommendation systems. These are systems that suggest products or information to users based on special data analysis method. If you are an online shopper, you see many product recommendations in a day, whether it be an e-commerce website, on advertisements or emails. A product recommendations aims to facilitate purchase decision by helping customers find product that meets their needs. The recommendation can derive from many factors such as a customer's purchase history or the behavior of similar users. AI-powered recommendation systems can help your business. Number 1. Improve your outcomes and boost revenues. Number 2. Improve customer experience and encourages users to return to your website. Store browsing history and generate valuable data for the further marketing campaigns. Achieve higher visitor retention and greater sales. Chatbots for enhancing customer service. A chatbot is a software that imitates human conversation or chat with the user over websites, mobile apps, phones, etc. It is an AI-powered digital assistant that communicates with people. Today, people want fast, easy, and personalized customer service anytime and anywhere. Chatbots can provide it. It is a new marketing channel that offers a genuine personal experience between the brands and the users. Chatbots are changing the business and marketing world. They are one of the most promising trends in the user interface and customer experience fields. Here we see the key benefits of chatbots for your business. Create the best content marketing strategy. An unimaginable number of consumers are looking online for products and services every second, and you need to position your business in front of them. How? With powerful content marketing. Content marketing is a marketing technique for attracting, engaging, and delighting customers by delivering valuable content. Content marketing has many types and forms such as blogs, social media posts, podcasts, videos, infographics, white papers, case studies, e-books, how-to guidelines, webinars, emails, marketing, etc. The role of artificial intelligence in content marketing is growing exponentially. Artificial intelligence uses algorithms to analyze your existing data and create the best strategies to market content. Benefits of using AI in content marketing. Here is a picture. Have a look around it. Sentiment analysis to gauge customers' emotions. Sentiment analysis is an automated process for monitoring and analyzing people's emotions and opinions in different types of text. The text can be conversation taking place on blogs, social media, comments on products or services, etc. Using sentiment analysis, business detect the opinions expressed by the customers and measure the feedback placed in millions of web pages, reviews, and forums. Thanks to AI in sentimental analysis, business can analyze huge amounts of data, understand how customers feels, and merge all types of social data to discover customer needs and intents the preferences. Benefits of using AI for sentimental analysis. Here is a picture. Powerful competitive intelligence. Thanks to AI, it is easier than ever before to conduct competitive intelligence research and analysis. Competitive intelligence is the process of collecting and analyzing information about your current and the potential competitors, industry, and business environment. Practically, you can track everything your competitors do, from products to people to promotions. The goal is to find out what is working for other businesses in your industry so that you can make the most informed decisions. By leveraging the artificial intelligence in your competitive intelligence efforts, you can effortlessly spy, track, and understand what your competitors are doing and what makes them successful. Benefits of AI powered competitive research and analysis. Here is a picture. Sales forecasting to grow your business. Sales forecasting is a process of predicting and estimating future sales. It is a vital factor for defining long-term business growth. Sales forecast allows you to see potential problems while you still have no time to avoid them. Accurate sales forecasts enable business to calculate the probability of customer purchase, predict short-term and long-term performance, and allocate resources accordingly. The AI-based software analysis, CRM data, purchase history, and the data about the past details. It looks at data elements such as emails, meetings, phone calls, and then perform the text mining to analyze how they relate to the sales outcomes. After it has analyzed how each data element relates to sale performance, the AI software evaluates the next move of a given customer so it gives an accurate prediction. Business benefits for using AI sales forecasting. Here is a picture. Optimize your price. The price is a key factor that makes customers buy from companies, especially from retailers. Many factors influence your price. Price history, brand reputation, competition, quality, season, operating cost, demand, etc. Artificial intelligence software can successfully take all these factors into account when determining the optimal prices. It can help you make the best price decisions for every product, in every season, and via every channel. Let's define optimal prices. These are the prices that attract your customers and allows you to make the most profit. AI software can scan a huge amount of data, go through endless pricing scenarios, and suggest the most relevant price. Here are the benefits of business using AI for price optimization. Smart cybersecurity. Many credit card companies are relying on AI for helping financial institutions to prevent billions of dollars in fraud annually. But cybersecurity is not most important for financial companies. It is critical for many industries including retail, consumer, product, automotive, utilities, and telecom. As digital business grow, the risk of cyber attacks exponentially increases. There are many types of threats a business can face: identity threats, account takeovers, vindictive, ransomware, strains, etc. AI software can deal with the cybersecurity in many ways: vulnerability management, phishing detection, network security, behavioral analytics, prevention, control, etc. Here are the benefits of business of using AI for cybersecurity. Create delightful in-store experience. Experience the growing demand for online shopping. Physical stores still have the lion's shares of the sales. Artificial intelligence has the power to entirely transform the traditional in-store experience and take it into the next level with the personalization and that delights customers. Instant access to the customer care at any time, fast checkout, product support, personalized recommendations, and helping customers make smart decisions are some of the ways AI can enhance in-store customer experiences. The current and the potential applications of AI in retail are very different, interesting, and promising. The in-store AI can find whether the customer had visited the store and track the products bought in the past. Using this data, AI can suggest new suitable products and offer personalized rewards like discounting, loyalty points, etc. AI powered devices like voice enabled cameras can interrupt facial cues, capturing customers' emotions and relations, helps in delivering the appropriate products or support. Benefits for businesses of using AI for creating in-store experiences. Here is a picture, have a look. Save time and reduce costs. A Forbes analysis found AI could save the average Fortune 500 company nearly 4.7 million per year via automation. Artificial intelligence technology allows businesses to automate a variety of processes, free up employees' time, and help improve productivity. By automating repetitive tasks, AI can help you achieve greater outputs in less time at a lower cost. AI can improve the spend of your business operations and decrease tasks so that employees can focus on more important activities. People are the most valuable asset. AI can save their time by automating some of their less important and time consuming duties. Benefits of AI powered cost reduction. Here is a picture. Let's revise the points till now what we have discussed. The 10 ways of artificial intelligence can help your business. Here is a picture, have a look. Artificial intelligence is not only for global tech giants and leading companies. AI is for every future oriented business that aims to grow and stay ahead of competition. How exactly you will use AI depends on what your business is trying to achieve. Artificial intelligence can change the way you run your businesses, allowing you to make better decisions more quickly. AI landscape will redefine the terms on which companies will cooperate. For forward-thinking businesses, it will be a massive opportunity. Walmart launches AI-powered virtual clothing try-on technology for online shoppers. Walmart is rolling out a virtual try-on feature on its websites that lets customer pick a model and virtually try on clothes. Gkit, which developed the Choose My Model app, has been acquired by Walmart. The retailer hopes the technology will help reduce the number of returns of items that won't fit right when tried on. The move could push e-commerce companies to integrate similar tech in their own websites and apps. It could also help Walmart in its battle with Amazon, which has become the top apparel retailer in the US. Not only AI, the disruptive technologies are also making a revolution in a business. One of them is AR and VR. AR and VR are transforming the future of businesses. Augmented reality and virtual reality offers various possibilities for business beyond gaming, storytelling, and other entertainment applications. Technology is already changing how we develop products, run meetings, connect with the customers, and more. There is a long list of ways that AR and VR can be used to improve businesses. Please take a look at how entrepreneurs have already been using virtual reality and augmented reality to enhance their operations. In the field of retail, manufacturing, games and entertainment, real estate and constructions, training and educational sectors, and in tourism and travel, healthcare, advertising and marketing, etc. Not only artificial intelligence or AR VR technology, there are many disruptive technologies that are making a revolution in business. One among them is 3D printing technology in business. It is used in various fields like construction, art and jewelry, health sector, etc. And here we see artificial organs and the implantation of artificial brain. Another technology is Internet of Things, IoT. It also making several changes in various fields like farming, agricultural, business, home applications, etc. Conclusion. AI till now has been an intellectual language. From now, it will be a common language. It even integrates your life like you see it on the screen. Your personal computer and mobile phones are going to talk back in a way you can't imagine. From a basic holiday planning to the most complex defense analytics, the artificial intelligence integrated with the human intelligence and the disruptive technologies is the future, and that future is now. If I have grabbed your attention and given you some information, hit a like and comment. Thank you for watching.